Hey y'all, so in this video I want to make something simple. So right here I am grounding some ground turkey, okay? Then I decided while that was going ground that I was going to make some Kool-Aid. Alright, so this is some water jugs that you can buy, you know, with water in $1 or whatnot. And I make my Kool-Aid in that. It's just so much easier. Next, I had some ground meat. I think we used that for tacos or something. At the moment of doing this video, I cannot remember what it was used for, but I decided to add that with my ground meat. It still was ground turkey, okay? Then I said, well, let me go ahead and do some of these air fried okras that I had got. Y'all, on this day I was having issues with my one of my air fryers I wanted to use. I thought it went out on me, but it didn't. Long story. But I decided to put these in the oven. Wrong thing to do. When it say air fry, you need to air fry. Alright, so right here I said, well, let me go ahead and chop up some onions, because y'all know I like onions in almost everything. Plus, if you can digest them, they are very, very good. If I eat healthy, I can digest onions as long as they cooked, due to me having GERD. If you don't know what GERD is, it is a more severe form of acid reflux, okay? And it's terrible. It's a terrible disease. But if I eat healthy, I can digest it if it's cooked. So right here, I am just sauteing them. Now it was time for me to go and put my manwich over in the pot. Yes, I'm using manwich. It was time for me to go ahead and use that. So off in the pot it go, giving it some stir to get everything mixed all together. As you can see, I made a big pot of manwich because I want it to last, so I don't have to make anything other than maybe some veggies on the side, like some broccoli or something like that. That is very simple. Make that the next day and the next day, however long it lasts, to go with it, okay? Saute onions done. Now I am grating some cheese. This is some mozzarella because it's cheaper to do it this way, to grate it yourself. When we buy it out the store, we buy it for convenience, okay? When it's already grated, it's convenient, and it be a little bit more. I am all on thinking simple and eating simple, okay? So that is what this meal, that's why I chose this meal on this particular day. Do y'all know what that meal is? Well, yeah, you do know what that meal is now, because I already put the manwich in it. Duh, MGL. But anyway, now I am just grating up some cheddar cheese, okay? And these is going to be for our sandwiches, our manwich sandwiches, okay? So yeah, just grating it. And this is one of my things that I like to do when it comes to this, is grating cheese. Yeah, it's relaxing to me. Very, very, very relaxing. So now the manwich is ready. The onions are sauteed, the cheese is grated, and the Kool-Aid is made. So they didn't have no bread on this day, okay? Because I'm behind in videos, y'all. So I did this a couple weeks ago, okay? But I had to just get what they got. So that's why them hamburger buns like that. It was a Sara Lee and then I think a regular one. So I am plating everything now. The kids got 2 sandwiches because we was ready to eat, and the Postman air fried okras was still in the oven. I would never do that again. They didn't turn out right. But they was edible. They just wasn't the way I wanted them, okay? So I'm plating up all this manwich on these sandwiches. So like I said, they got 2 sandwiches each. So putting everybody's on manwich on there, I loaded them bad boys up. Now I am loading them up with the the sauteed caramelized onions, okay? They was really good. But now I am putting our shredded cheese on it that I shredded myself. Y'all, it tastes so much better that way too, and it lasts so long. Like I say, by the time y'all get this video, it's been a couple weeks, okay? And I can tell you, it's still a whole big block of shredded cheese in there, and we use it. Okay, so next I am just making mine. I'm having one at a time. Okay, so I am just making mine. My grilled onions on there and all that. That's that shredded cheese. Yes, and gonna top it off. Look at that bad boy on that Sara Lee bun.
Alright, y'all, so y'all know what time it is. This is my sandwich. It's my sandwich. It's my sandwich. I could have put more on it or whatnot, but I'm just like, look, I'm hungry. Had a busy day today, I guess you could say. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this for y'all. Oh, this is real slappy, Joe, because it's slappy, but I like it like that. I like it like that. The kids are digging in. So y'all, we're gonna have the okra when it's done. Is it right here? So good. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so we notify each and every time that I upload a video. And I'll see y'all in the next one. If it's God's will, y'all be safe. Okay, until next time. Bye.